Meaning of exhale.
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 Exhale. Exhale refers to the action of breathing out, expelling air from the lungs. The result of exhaling is a release of air, typically accompanied by a relaxing sensation or a sense of relief. Exhaling can be a deliberate practice in various forms of meditation, yoga, and mindfulness exercises as a way to reduce stress and promote relaxation. It can also be an involuntary reflex that occurs during physical exercise or respiratory illness. Overall, exhaling serves as a crucial biological function for maintaining the oxygen-carbon dioxide balance in the body.